Hi guys, what's up? All right, now today I have a serious matter to talk to my male friends about. It's about your sex drive. It's about the size of your member. It's about being able to, pleasure your partner and also yourselves, of course. I am here today to talk to men about the Growth Matrix program because this is an incredible program. You see, Growth Matrix was actually created by porn stars themselves, and when it comes to sex and these things, I'm pretty sure that these guys, they know what they're talking about, right? So I am here today to give you like the full insight, the full details about the Growth Matrix, because this program has been already helping out so many men all over the world to finally, overcome like embarrassments, shyness, because I know that when a guy does have like a smaller sized member, it makes him feel like really useless. It makes you feel as if you can't perform well. And when you can't perform well, that basically messes up your whole like sex drive, your performance, and your self-esteem, of course, right? So you can like become the laughing stock amongst the ladies. And don't get me wrong, if you're married or either like if you're single, your partner will talk to other people. Like, girls do talk, and we usually tell ourselves, like, we usually tell our friends, how bad that sex was or how bad that, relationship was. But either way, guys, I am here to give you all the details about Growth Matrix, because this is like a program that is going to help you with techniques and exercise routines to go from like a smaller size member to a bigger size member, and also to help you like become more hornier, more kinkier, more better in the bedroom. So if you would like to basically like up yourselves, like boost up your games, change everything around, then you need to stay in this video up to the last second, just so you discover this whole new world where you don't have to be depending on like blue pills, those types of things. You don't have to be depending on like energy drinks anymore to give you the energy you need, to give you like the power. So I will be leaving Growth Matrix's official webpage in the description box, like here below this video. I will be doing that because, well, a few reasons. I know it's hard to look for these official webpage links, and sometimes people can't be bothered to surf the internet to look for it. Also because you do need to purchase the original program in order to get results. And if you simply type up like Growth Matrix on the internet, there's just so many web pages that sells it. But like, who is selling the real deal? Like, who is selling the right program? Who can you trust? I know the official webpage is the manufacturer's original page. So by going directly there, you can make like a really safe purchase. Know you're going to be getting the original material. Also know that you have customer service there pronto to talk to you and help you in case you need some sort of helping. And their official webpage also has some amazing prices going on, so pop over there, okay? Go there after you finished watching this video. The link is just here below this video in the description box. But anyways, what you need to know about the Growth Matrix. First of all, you're going to need a set of working hands to do those exercises, right? So once you do purchase the Growth Matrix, you're going to be receiving like guides, video programs. I know it's like ebooks and step-to-step guides of what you need to do, exercises, and like how long you need to do these things for in order to like start increasing the size of your member naturally, in order to start boosting up your stamina and your libido levels as well. But what's even more interesting about the Growth Matrix program is that this program also gives you like a nutritionist guide, of things that you can eat or like drink that can help you to naturally give you more like aphrodisiac powers, like more stamina, more libido, more testosterone, and also like increase your energy naturally. So with the Growth Matrix program, like this is a really cool way for you to start, changing your game around, becoming more experienced at it, becoming more productive also, because not only like by increasing the, your testosterone levels, you can also increase your girth. You can also increase your staying power. You can have a better performance that will be able to last basically like all night long. So it's really cool because the guides, you know, the nutritional guides you get are just things that can naturally help you to boost or enhance your masculinity as well. But when we talk about the exercise routines, the exercise needs to be done correctly. You know, you need to follow the step-to-step guide in order for you to be actually increasing the size of your member, in order for you to get natural erections that are bigger, that are harder, that perform better, and lasts much longer than it normally does. But men who are using the Growth Matrix program today are being able to just come out of their shell, you know, live a much more like even happier lifestyle, because once you do perform better at sex, you basically get more of it, right? And that can help you to also like reduce on stress, become more like less anxious, and just live a much healthier and happier lifestyle as well. Not to mention that a lot of men as well who are married use the Growth Matrix program, because as I mentioned before, the creator of this was a guy who is famous in the adult film industry. And when it comes to like getting the moves right, getting the exercises right, you know, things you need to do to like turn you on before it's go time, these guys, they know exactly what they're talking about. It's their job. So, you know, for you to be getting like a recommendation or a like, you know, a heads up from someone like that, it's really amazing. And as I was saying before, guys who are married and are using the Growth Matrix program, it has been able to help out so many men who are married, you know, to save relationships, to save their marriages. Because once you are married with someone for like quite a long time, I mean, the fire does, you know, begin to dim, or it totally goes out, and then you guys just fight all the time. And then when it comes to like your sex drive, it's dull, it's boring. You just want to get it over with, and sometimes you're not even pleasuring yourselves, right? But this is where the Growth Matrix program has like come in and changed, basically revolutionized, you know, people's lives. Because once men are dedicated to this program and they are performing well, and you are basically, you know, giving pleasure and also orgasms to your partner, they are going to start to look for you more and more and more. Because people, I mean, sure, sex is not everything, but it plays a really big role in a relationship. And if you do it right, then that person is always going to be looking for you, you know? So what's really incredible about this program is just the way as well it's going to help you save up relationships, save up your marriage. And it doesn't require much. As I said, it's exercises, step-to-step guides. It is nutrition guides, which are actually really healthy as well. So while you are at the same time taking care of like your, you know, your male enhancement, you are also at the same time becoming healthier, having more energy. And even I know that some of these nutrition guides, they even help you to lose weight. So by increasing up your testosterone, losing weight, you can bulk up your body, you know, work out at the gym, build up muscles much more faster, become that really smoking, sexy, hot guy, and who delivers a great performance in the bedroom as well. So think about that. All right, do give this guide a shot. I mean, it's helping out so many men all over the world, guys, and it's pretty easy to use. And in case you did purchase the Growth Matrix, but you know, for whatever personal reasons, it didn't meet up to your needs or your standards, you really aren't that happy with it, customer service is there on the official webpage waiting to talk to you, to help you get a refund, you know, to help you get your money back should you need it. So look at it on the bright side. If you purchase the Growth Matrix program and you don't like it, simply request your money back, okay? They're going to really help you out. But for now, that is it, guys. Pop over to their official webpage to learn more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I managed to help you out somehow. If you still have questions, if you have doubts, leave them in the comments below or pop directly over to their official webpage. And also, like, they have some really cool prices going on, so go there right now, all right? Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.